Today we're starting a new project, a new room to the house, which is gonna be used as a laundry and an extended kitchen to the existing one. First, we're gonna have to clear the area. We still have the palm here and some plants, and it's gonna be looking something like this. This is the original kitchen, and this is the additional pantry laundry area. We already have the temporary toilet in place. They've been working on the swimming pool, which is almost finished, but they still have some work to do. To remove the palm stump, we had to bring a machine, but it couldn't fit between the house and the fence, so we had to open some space in the fence so the grinder can go in. Found out that the sewage cast iron pipe was broken and it was okay while covered under the palm stump, but we're gonna have to find out a solution for that. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for next video.